Hi, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes. Hi, I'm Christine. I'm single parent. I'm 34 years old. I have one daughter. I'm graduate high school.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experiences?
My work experience in Hong Kong are cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, marketing and laundry, and taking care child care and taking care the pets.
Okay. Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
I'm not renew my contract because it's not enough to rest in night, and I finish my work at 11:30 to 12.
What is your preferred holiday?
I prepared my holiday on Sunday.
Are you willing to share work with other helper?
No,
Are you willing to share room with other helpers or kids?
no, because I want privacy.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yes, I like to care the pets.
What will you do if the kid has tantrums?
Uh, First, I play with him. I read a story books, or I give some foods.
Okay. What will you do if the kid is sick?
I will check first the temperature, and then I inform my employer. If the necessary, I will call ambulance.
Okay. What is your message to your new employer?
To my future employer, I will promise that I follow your rules and regulations, and I take care of your family. Thank you.